Wow. Good, Kylie. I mean, so far this is not bad. Hey frugivores, welcome back to another episode. So today's video, we are going to look at Kylie Jenner, what she eats in a day. This video was uploaded to TikTok and it's had like 100 million views. So obviously a lot of individuals want to know what she eats. So we're going to check it out and I'm going to give my comments and definitely leave your comments down below. By the way, the new channel, the Raw to 4 diet channel, I'm still kind of playing with the idea because it's kind of difficult because I'm eating raw and I have eaten some cooked, as I said, and those videos will come up. But it's difficult because I want to make actual raw recipes, but Raw till 4 involves like cooked recipes. So I'm not sure whether the new channel should actually be called like the Frugivore Diet Recipes or something like that rather than Raw till 4 because, if I cook meals here, then I don't want to throw them out or something like that. But at the same time, I don't want to eat them because I'm focused on raw at this stage. So yeah, I've got a little bit of a conundrum there, but I'll work it out. Anyway, let's get on to it, shall we? What I eat in a day as Kylie Jenner. It looks like there's music. Need to know, goosebumps. Okay, we'll just mute it because there's going to be music. So let's go. Oh, hang on. Well, I just liked it. No, we're not going to like it. So, okay, so first up, she is posing. We can see her posing and showing her body. And I'm sure there's a lot of young women out there thinking, wow, she looks amazing. I want to look like her. And, maybe if I eat this way, if maybe if I eat the same as Kylie Jenner, then I can get the same body as Kylie Jenner. No. Okay. This is largely to do with surgery. Okay. This is a surgery created body in a lot of ways. And I'm not taking away from everything, maybe she exercises and maybe she eats fairly well. I'm not sure yet, but you got to remember that she's born into the most looks obsessed family in the world, right? They have caused a lot of women to unnecessarily focus on their faces, on makeup, on their bodies, and, trying to get this hourglass figure that maybe they're not naturally born with. And that is the case with Kylie Jenner. If you look at the before and after, she looks much different, right? She seems to have had this procedure where they take the fat out of the waist and out of other parts of the body and they put it in the breast and put it in the butt. And, she has a big butt, as we know, and she would have bigger quads. She would have more like muscular quads or thicker quads if that was the case, if that was her real butt. But, I mean, she could argue that it is my real butt because it's fat from the other parts of my body. And maybe there's definitely a lot of other procedures going on. So I just want you to know that just because she's showing her body doesn't mean you're going to look similar to her. And when I show my body, that's the same thing. I'm not saying, hey, you're going to look exactly like me. I'm not claiming that. I'm just saying that you can get lean, you can get fit, healthy, eating the way that I recommend. And here is evidence of me becoming like that after 11 years keeping my weight the same weight. So I just wanted to clarify that. Okay. So there looks like there is some granola and some berries, and maybe this is like matcha. So she got some caffeine in there. I mean, that doesn't look bad. That doesn't look bad. And this could be hopefully coconut yogurt on top, but I'm unsure. I think this is music now. Yes, so got to turn that off. So she's not actually telling us what's in there. Oh, great. She's got some coconut water. I am impressed. That nail, I am not impressed with that nail though. Seriously, you have to clean under these nails so much. It just, wow. And don't get them caught in the door handle of your car. Please. I've already done that when I used to do it when I was very young. It's a shocker. So coconut water, great. It's great for minerals and hydration, and there's also some carbohydrate content. It's great. Okay, so this looks like some sort of, I'm not experienced with Caesar salads, but like a little bit like that, like a coleslaw thing with, I don't know, is that tuna or is that nuts cut up? I'm not sure. It's not bad. Hey, there's like a lot of raw here, so the whole point though is like it's quite a good serve, but there isn't a lot of carbohydrates that I can see. When I say carbohydrates, I mean sweet fruits, potatoes, sweet potatoes, rice, pasta. There isn't a lot, right? Wow. good, Kylie. I mean, so far this is not bad. This is not terrible. It could be a lot worse. But it's a very small serve. Kylie, please. I know you're going to be watching this, so you definitely have kilos of grapes. Kilos. Just go to town. It's great. Healthy. Okay, some lemon water, right? That's going to be very strong having that much lemon in there. And, you know, a lot of these individuals will have that for bowel moving purposes to get the bowels going because they're not having enough fiber generally. She's not doing too badly. She's not doing too badly. I'd like to see more sweet fruit, of course. I don't know what that is. Squid ink? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what that is. Huh? Oh, okay. Well, so this is portion controlled. You can see this is just portion controlled. This is not a lot. This is very, very thick and fatty looking. It may have some sort of fish, maybe, or some chicken. And I'm not some dead bird. I'm not 100% sure, but it is a very small serve. With the greens, good. She's got some greens. She's got some asparagus. That's fantastic. This is likely going to have some cream in it or something like that. Cookies. So this is what comes in if you don't have enough sweet fruit during the day. This can come in. Is refined sugar, is the junk food, the sweet cookies and stuff like that. Yeah, so she's focusing a lot on this. She's showing this more than anything because this is where the real like carb hit comes from, right? She's got the flour in there. She's got chocolate, you know, which has caffeine as well, and a lot of refined sugar, I'm sure. Yeah, so you can see what's going on here, and yeah, her diet is not actually terrible. I am impressed that it's not as bad as I thought it would be. You know, she has fiber in there. She's got some coconut water. She's got some fruit, just a little bit. And then these squid drops. This is not enough calories though, because, okay, this is quite heavy. I will admit that it's quite heavy. This whole thing, maybe it's around 600. It could be around 600, right? And this one could be around with this one. Maybe around 600 too, so 1250 maybe. This one could be, it has a bit of a creamy dressing, I think. Maybe 300, maybe 400. Maybe we're about to up to about 1600. And then the grapes could be, yeah, like 100. So she's probably still having around 17. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Yeah, we got the cookies. I don't know how many she ate of these, so maybe just a bite. So I would say she's probably still having around 1700 calories, which isn't enough food, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. So yeah, not terrible, Kylie, not terrible, but seriously, you need to get on a fruit-based diet because you don't have to worry about like its portion control. You know, it's great because on this lifestyle, you get to eat as much as you care for. There's never any question of, oh, you've been eating too much. Oh, you need to portion control that. That has too much, you know, calories in it. You cannot eat that. No, none of that talk. You get to just eat as much as you care for. It's a beautiful way to eat. It's very healthy. It's good for the environment, for animals. It's just win, win, win. Winfinity, as Doug Graham would say. Anyway, don't forget to go fruit yourself. And yeah, don't compare yourself to these celebrities because it's unrealistic. She's probably spent $1 million, you know, like millions of dollars on her body and on surgeries and everything like that. So it's not going to be, you know, this area in particular is not something that you can achieve through diet. All right, don't forget to go fruit yourself.